My degree is a master's in civil engineering. I decided to pursue civil engineering at FAU because I wanted to bring development back to my community back at home in Kenya. The School of Engineering, it has one of the best professors. It's very hands-on, like everything we do, we use like real data from the field. The faculty here at FAU especially, they're very supportive. Here the professors are like your friends. So here you feel at ease going to consult your professors. They also help us like get jobs out there, internships. Here at FAU, like everything that we do, it has a project aspect of it. And when I got my first internship, the thing they were looking for is leadership, working in a team. And I think that FAU equips us with that. FAU provides a lot of support system for international students. And when an international student arrives here, they have an opportunity to pick you from the airport. We have an orientation that they guide you on everything that you can do here at school. So like you meet other students, international students, and you feel like, yeah, I'm at home now. They do offer some people known as mentors here. So like if you're a new student, they give you a mentor who you can ask any question. The community here is vibrant and students are very welcoming and very good. So if you want to come here, don't even think twice about it. Just come on in. You'll have the best days of your academic life.